Have you ever asked yourself, where did the greatest battles in history actually take place? Before strategy, formations, or victory, we need to understand location. In today's video, I'll show you how map India's top historical battles and their locations using the interactive mapping platform, story.mapog.com. Open the MAPOG link, which is given in the description. Click Create New Map at the top right of the homepage. Add a title for your map and a short description about it. Click Add Story, find your location by manually searching for it. Add a title, write a description, upload an image, and then click Save. Follow the same steps to add more old learning centers. Go to Preview and Share. Set the map to Public. Then click Share Embedded Link to copy and share your map. We hope this has given you a clear idea of how to map the top historical battles and their locations using MAPOG. To explore more smart mapping techniques and GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. And if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us at support@mapog.com.